So we are now in another area of downtown. That's a mall over there. You see all the tourists here from resorts, from the cruise area, back from this mall over there. Ah, look at that. I feel like we're in the more expensive area of Aruba right now. You can tell with the stores, even probably the prices. So I'm just walking around now. Again, if you know where to buy things, you can get good deals, and you buy the same things. You know, it's the same quality, it's just that you're buying in another area. Look at that. Honestly, I find that boring, but some people like it. But why will I do that, right? When you can walk. There you are.
Ladies and gentlemen, next stop, the Renaissance Train Casino stop. For those who want to disembark, please disembark on the right hand side.
And you know, walking is a good exercise. I went to the gym today in the morning. Now I'm doing this. And look, Skechers, Hey Dudes, Crocs. Yeah, why would you go and buy stuff here where you can buy in like Florida? All those stores are in Orlando. Anyway, let's take a look. Adidas. Santa. Let's stop it now.